Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to write the ELA Content Knowledge Test? This is exam number 5038. Praxis 5038 is an exam with several subtopics. This work solution set covers the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening. Let's review the type of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. A student is asked to write a paper about Alice in Wonderland. In addition to Alice in Wonderland, the student also must use 2 peer-reviewed articles about Alice in Wonderland to support their ideas in the paper. What type of source is Alice in Wonderland in this student's paper? Secondary source, tertiary source, literary research, or primary source? A secondary source analyzes, interprets, or critiques primary sources, such as a peer-reviewed article about Alice in Wonderland. So we can eliminate that. A tertiary source compiles and summarizes information from primary and secondary sources, like textbooks or encyclopedias, so this isn't correct either. Literary research refers to the process of studying and analyzing literary works and criticism, and it's not a classification of a source itself, so we can eliminate that. The correct answer is primary source because Alice in Wonderland is the original work of literature being analyzed and discussed. In academic writing, a primary source is the original material or evidence being studied, and in this case, the original text is Alice in Wonderland. Therefore, it's primary source. Problem number 2. Blank is how well we put vowels and consonants together and pass them through our mouth and lips. Tone, volume, articulation, or pronunciation. Tone refers to the quality or character of sound, which affects the emotion or attitude expressed, so that cannot be the correct answer. Volume is the loudness or softness of the sound produced, so that is incorrect as well. Pronunciation involves the way in which a word is spoken, focusing on the correct way to say the words, but not specifically on the physical process of forming sounds. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer is articulation, which refers to the clarity and precision with which we form vowels and consonants, enabling us to produce clear and understandable speech. Thus, articulation is the correct answer. Problem number 3. What is the most common form of media presentation? Multimedia, print, graphic, or video? Graphic media refers to visual representations like charts, infographics, and illustrations, which are often used but are not the most common. So let's eliminate that. The same case can be made for both video media and multimedia, which together encompass the combination of text, audio, images, and animations. So let's cross those out as well. The correct answer, therefore, is print media, which includes newspapers, magazines, and of course, books. Although various media have been used in classrooms over the years, print remains the most common media for teaching. In the modern era, however, you'll find that students do prefer more engaging modes of communication that involve multimedia presentations. One of the benefits, however, of using print messages in the classroom is that learners can revisit the content of the lesson. In educational contexts where schools have not adopted a strong culture of e-learning, Print messages often represent the most cost-effective way of distributing resources for students to revisit content after a lesson. Therefore, print is the correct answer here. Problem number 4. Which of the following are active listening techniques? Select all that apply. When we see select all that apply, this is an indication to us that there is at least one correct answer and very likely more than one correct answer. All right, with that in mind, let's go through the answers. Disengaging eye contact with the speaker, paraphrasing back what has been communicated to you, keeping eye contact with the speaker, and/or asking follow-up questions. Disengaging eye contact with the speaker is not an active listening technique because it can signal disinterest or distraction, making the speaker feel unheard. So that is not correct. Active listening involves fully engaging with the speaker. The correct answers, therefore, are paraphrasing back what has been communicated to you, keeping eye contact with the speaker, and asking follow-up questions. Paraphrasing shows that you understand and are processing what the speaker is saying. Maintaining eye contact demonstrates attentiveness and respect, encouraging the speaker to continue. Asking follow-up questions shows engagement and a desire to understand more deeply, fostering a productive and interactive conversation. Therefore, the correct answers are paraphrasing back what has been communicated, keeping eye contact, and asking follow-up questions. I trust that I was able to clarify the types of questions that you can expect to find about the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening for the Praxis 5038 ELA exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.